Engine, a mission order was issued against you by the Commissioner of Bureau of Immigration. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in any court or tribunal. You have the right to hire your own counsel or lawyer. If you cannot provide one, the Philippine government will provide one for you. Do you understand? Okay.
Okay, you call my wife. Yeah.